Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Look at all this wind, high gust wind. God, there's a high gust wind right now. Damn. All of this that you're looking at is just a high gust wind. The place just windy. I don't know where this strong wind does come from, unless I blow everything from left to right. Dang, look at that. Everything I get blown away right now. Everything got blown away. God damn. Look at that. So windy, look. Just a blow.
One general. Yeah. You need a strength for your gun. Back up.
Hello. Come in.
She knows it. Oh, we are coming on the gate, look.
You lock me out.
So she have come.
Me the pot of pressure, you.
She have come and she alone it sweet.
Hey. Well, guys. You know I'm here in Trench Town. You know the thing goes already. Well, you see after that dust then come the rain. You know, the rain really come wickedly after the dust. So we're here now in Trench Town. So I'm here to see the little boy, you know, who got shot. You know, Zane. You know, you probably know his name by now. His name is Zane. So we're here to see him because I got a donation to give to him. You know, because it's been a while. Yeah. Chris.
They shall forward. Them both shall come.
Oh, shall forward. Oh, when them get a lock, it come like a one big door.
Whole place on the table.
Yeah, you there?
Whole half.
Right, now this man, bring out the star weight and thing out of the bar. How this one? That's how we come on.
Door, gate lock.
Bryson.
Oh, you have time for come and the gate close. Zane? Are you a cook stew peas? Are you a cook stew peas? See your friend here there. Rose, want to know the stew peas are going around here, so Rose. If you cook stew peas. Oh, go on. How the therapy are going? Good. And you're good? Good. Are you cousin Dad? I see that drink out the juice though. See, the drink, you buy back the man juice. So that for buy back the juice, yeah? So see, I bring $1 million for you. Yeah. Your mother, It's a million one day, you know. You're gonna have that enough in your account when you start playing football. No. So yeah. Oh, you're so happy. Are you an assistant? It seems like a... Oh, say for PR when she work for you. A big business that go on then, man, Zane. I tell you the business that go on in that place. So see it now, you have to a PR, I get PR right now. You know. So Christine, we have $8,000 a year from Beulah Green from the UK, you know, for Zane to help out with that situation, you know. $8,000 a year from Beulah Green. Hold it now. Hold it now. So count it now. Count it. Remember you always respond, you call mommy boy. You are with money. So her name is Beulah Green. So you can thank her.
Thank you, Beulah Green, for the contribution to my treatment. And God bless you.
Oh, what do you call mommy for the name you can do the thing? You know the thing already. So Christine, you want to tell her thanks too? And so she can tell her to come for some of the shoe piece.
Alright, thanks Beulah Green for the contribution. God bless you. Love. Big up yourself,
Alright. If you cook shoe piece. Alright, and big up girl.
And you dash more big time. Alright,
Give me a touch. Last one.
Let's go.
Might get pile, boy. Yes, I come for this. Yes, bombing ball. So, got a donation from Kenisha from the USA. 1,400. First time I count at 1,400 from Kenisha from the USA. Kenisha.
Thanks, Kenisha from the USA. Well appreciate it. Much love and respect. Thanks.
Alright, so we'll give thanks to Kenisha from the USA. You know, so we'll give thanks. So we're gonna wait on the rest others them for come through. You know, so they can get their donation. Oh, yeah, get the drink.
Yeah.
So you fake it till you make it.
Right, fake it till she make it. Yes.
She tripped me with that one there, but then eventually.
We just go back and give him $50 and tell him to put $100 and your bill.
Yeah.
So, you know, I've got the juice.
Yeah, a bigger juice.
Thank you.
Before it was a smaller juice, now it's a bigger juice.
Yeah.
No problem. Where you say you bring in?
Before I throw it to you and me, the person.
Hey, stay close. Yes. Yes, guys. I'm gonna go see Rasta Jackson now. You know, cause I got some donation for Rasta Jackson, so I'm going to visit him at his home. You know, hopefully he's home by now. Yes, I'm going to check up on Rasta Jackson. So, let me say there was some rain falling today. Trust me, a lot of hard breeze blow as well too. A lot of hard breeze blow as well too. You know the thing goes already. Road chef is on the road. Yes, cool. Coco Reds. It's a building I go up. So, yes guys, you know, old chef is on the road as well too with Natural and Mother Teresa. You know, so they've been on the road as well too. Oh God, bro. Yeah, so they've been on the road, you know, putting in some work as well too with natural. You know, as I say, sometimes the members them go out on the road do some work as well too. You know, so that's what's taking place today. Could I walk down here, sir? Okay. Yeah, so World Chef is not here yet. Mother Terry is not here, and natural them is on the road doing some work. So we're here rolling through the trenches, the zinc fences. Yeah.
Thanks, Mr. Francis. I put your car in, you know. I look at it so. Crashing out in that car back and police is out on the front there.
The truck.
Him got a problem. I must say, Mama, there, not itching, and then they try rush out and stuck, you know. And then,
Chips and chips. Rose or rose?
Movement again.
Yeah, movement. Look, I don't know your yard now go.
She they done that still. Say she they done that. We don't pass through.
I pass.
Can't even.
Yeah, pass you. Yo, she in there man, so I must lock it back when I come out.
Alright.
Yeah. Stacy. Alright, bag loaded.
they say, chips and chips.
Bag loaded.
Loaded.
Oh, did it? Oh. Did it come yesterday? Yesterday was the day. Yesterday was the day. Yeah. Rasta Jacks.
Oi. There.
Wow.
Alright. I wake up, you know.
Am I wet up?
I'm just about to.
So Jack, so the breeze blows so hard and your yard still looks spick and span. Like no leaf to be off. Eh? And see what I go on? Give one tambourine, nothing at all. Ja. All is well, Lord Jackson.
Yeah, what I'm not going to do, tree and not look lime tree and but the baby says she's a lime, but I'll be you know, I want to lime of a tree and a baby.
Oh, she see it. Yes, Jackson's. Yes, I know. Say, we get to a donation for you as well too. Yeah, we get to a donation to help out whenever we're gonna start on your project, you know. So basically, guys, as I say, you know, when I say Rasta Jackson situation, and as I say, there's a lot of members here going through the same thing, you know. So, you know, at the moment we're working on the World Chef project, you know. So with any donation that we receive for Rasta Jackson, we're just going to put it aside, you know, for whenever the time is right, we can move towards it, you know, because we have to complete the World Chef, you know, Mother Teresa is doing our project as well too. So, as I said, there's members there saying, no, we need to get to them help out, see me. So we try to do it one step at a time, you know, and then we're going to highlight the rest of the members them so we can see how we can tell you who we can start with as well too. So as you can see, Rasta Jack's situation, you know, so it's best for us to can collect the donation that we can get for him, you know, so whenever we're going to start, we don't have to be waiting or to asking for anything at all. At least we have something that we can start with. You know, we're thanking you so much, whosoever we're doing it so far, you know, it's a blessing, you know, it means the world to helping out someone else, you know, we love the compassion, the act of kindness, you know, to be helping out someone else that you see the need, right, you see the situation. I will see you, Rasta Jackson, because you know, Jackson is a man always in the street, when them see you dance and I see you sing and all them vibes there, them don't know the lifestyle, them don't know what you're going through when you leave 3rd Street and when you come here, you know, this is what what he's coming into. When him open this door with this chain, you know, him eyes connect to that, and then him step and go inside, you know. So imagine that this is only where I stop, and if I went all the way inside, you know. So this is what the viewers them see, and then this side say, yo, they're gonna reach out and give Rasta Jackson some support. You understand? So guys, as I'm gonna say, we're here to help each other, you know. Rasta Jack is one of the members then, you know. They say we have Hero, we have Boom, we have Jella, you know, and the rest of them who need a help as well too. So we're gonna try and see what we can get done, you know, but we only can work with the time, you know, and the time is what we got is precious, because natural is a man, he always have his work doing, you know, and whenever he give us a time, we have to appreciate it, because everyone volunteer them time, you know, everybody volunteer and give us strength towards this dream team, you know. It's not a monetized game where anyone's getting paid, so we appreciate any time we can get from natural or the members them when them here helping out each other. They volunteer them time, you know, so it's only goodness of your heart for us to can help them back whenever, you know, they can. So Jackson, so now we have some donation so for you towards, you know, to help out your situation what highlighted, you know, because I'm say this is gonna take a lot of work as well too, because you can see them posts there rotten, like them posts that they here from the first day.
Long time, yes,
you know, so you're gonna need focus and everything. Zinc can't go up on this, because even they are sealing, you know. Can I step in? I step in and shoot. Oh guys, so this is gonna need some serious work. You're gonna need different posts, different board and everything, you know. Yeah, this is gonna need some serious yeah, I like it. This is gonna need some serious work, guys. As I can see, it's gonna take some serious work. It's gonna need different posts, different everything is gonna be needed. So it's not gonna be an easy task, you know. As I say, this is Jackson's room, bedroom here. So you see it. Yeah, so this is Jackson's room here, you know. He might go and relax, you know, at least Jackson have a bed for go and relax and everything. Yeah? Yes. You know, so I'm a ceiling here as well to it's coming down. Yeah.
Yeah, kind of foundation.
My foundations like it have like black up. Yeah. It have a black up. Cause the whole of the house is the same, just like how Warchef phones stay and everything. But the thing is here, Warchef board them still firmer. Them here right now termite have a feast, you know. Termite have a feast.
Yeah man, cause they start to change.
Yeah. Termite have a feast on this board, and so yes, I never have nothing get done. Sorry, Jackson, come in. You know what I'm saying? The most thing we really want to get for the members them is a bathroom, because you know these houses don't build with bathroom, guys. You know, so the main thing.
Right, so I say,
yeah.
Man will right say, you know.
Oh.
Right doing this, so.
So the main thing we want to help out with the members them is with a bathroom, because as I'm say, it's no bathroom is built with these houses here in Trenchtown, so you know how that thing goes already. So with a bathroom, you know, it's meant to be a quick thing, you know, bring up some blocks, drop in toilet, drop in that, you know, it's quick and fast, you know. So if anything else to renovate, you know, we can do that quick and fast. So that's what we're trying to do, but we have to work with the time what we can get from natural, or whenever natural is around, we try to pay someone, you know, to come put in a duty as well too, so it can always move faster. You know, so now we are in the finishing touch with Warchef. So you know, say the finishing touch, you know, natural have to finish it for him to get the finishing touch, because he's the one that started. So it's not anyone can come and finish it, because he already have the blueprint or he want it to look. You know, so we have to wait for him to come and put in his time now to give us the finishing touch, so we can just move on from the Warchef from there. You know, so that is how it is. So Jackson, what is some of that hero? Now once a Jackson, so we have 5,000 a year for you from Dana D, you know, our extended family. She was here the other day, you never get to meet her, so this is 5,000 a year for you from Dana D.
Yeah, Dana D, thanks and respect every time. Rastafari guide and protect every time going out and coming in. Thanks and praise every time. One love every time.
Straight.
Yeah, love every time.
Alright, so we also have another year from Patty Watt, you know, her name is Patty Watt, you know, from the USA.
Patty Watt.
Yeah, Patty Watt.
Patty Watt.
14,000, you know, from patio watts. So just count it. So it's 14,000.
Yeah.
From patio watt.
Yeah, patio watt.
Mm-hmm.
Rastafari, bless you. Going out and coming in, give thanks and praise every time. More love every time. Every time. Thanks every time.
We give thanks. Also have another year from Beverly from the USA, $7,000. You know, this is $7,000 a year from Beverly, so count it, so it's 7. Yeah, so that's from Beverly from the USA.
Beverly from USA, give thanks every time, Beverly. Put back, it never empty every time. Rastafari, guide every time. Going out and coming in, give thanks to everything.
Yeah.
Extended family, love every time.
Alright then. And so we have another one here from Kenisha, as well too, from the USA, 4,200 here for you from Kenisha, from the USA.
Kenisha. More love every time, Kenisha. Love every time. Thanks every time. Straight. Yeah, thanks every time.
There's 4,200. Alright, and so we have last but not least, you know, we have Ellie, as well to Ellie Mac from Florida, $7,000 for Miss Ellie Mac from Florida. So count that.
Miss Ellie Mac.
Yeah.
Thanks, Miss Ellie Mac. Thanks every time.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. Love every time. Give thanks every time. I bless you and keep you and guys going out and coming in every time. Thanks every time.
So we give thanks, Ellie. So count it. Miss Ellie.
Yeah.
Thanking everybody for their consideration. You understand?
Yeah. Alright, so what we're gonna do, Hero, I make a count this as well, so we know how much we got already so far. So we have a round off, guys. I'm say we thank each and every one. We thank you for considering Rasta Jackson, you know, seeing the situation, what he's going through, you know. And as you can see, a lot of people hear about Trenchtown, but seeing it from this eye, from his camera eye, you never expect it would have been the way how it is now, you know. So we give thanks, you know, for anything that you like give, you know, because you never have to, you know, and we appreciate because you know, say it's not only here in Jamaica, you know, around the world, and exactly we know you're not rich, we're still trying to help out. Now we appreciate that, you know, for someone to be reaching out to helping out someone, right? We really gratitude go all the way out, you know. Sometimes we don't know how much to thank you, you know, because when someone's helping you unexpectedly what you don't know of, you know, you get up and you start to get help because of what you're going through. We appreciate that. You know, we give thanks to the Almighty for touching your heart, for reaching out so we can help us. So you're fueling our engine so we can continue to help us, you know, to help others. You know, we're thanking you so much. So we're going to do a round off and see how much money we got so far, you know, so we're going to put it down. We never get any donation, we put them together, you know, to when the time is right now. So we get a donation, you know, towards this project also. How much?
37,200.
Okay, so far we have 37,200, right? So we're gonna put that down, you know, for whenever we get anything else. So we're gonna bring it over and keep that and make sure so that it's well put down, you know. So it's a start, and we appreciate the start and where we are now, because you have to start from 0. Now we reach at 37. You know, you see we're counting, you know, creeping. So we're thanking you so much, you know, for the head start, because you have to start from somewhere, and that's a big start. Right, so we give thanks, I appreciate our extended family. Right, Jackson?
Yes, every time.
So let them know.
Yeah, every time, one love every time. We love them more, you know. We love it every time.
Yes.
More than love, you know.
Of course.
See, Rastafari guide and protect going out and coming in, you know. Of this time forth and forevermore.
Forevermore.
You know. More love and extended family, big up every time, more than love, you know.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, one love.
Give thanks. Yes,
sir.
So we have here with us,
yeah, man.
you know.
We have to big up everybody as well, because it take a lot. You understand me? I say for people to still try go out them way and give him a strength.
Of course.
Rasta, him a real you understand?
Yeah.
You need the strength.
And them always entertain them, you know, making everybody laugh and everything, but we never know. Sometimes we don't see someone outside, but the inside is a different story.
You don't know what go on.
Right, and we have Boom as well too, because Boom, you don't have a bathroom.
When I back,
No.
I forgot.
When I back.
Yeah, I forgot. You the time I'm being in my yard.
See there.
Back.
So there's no bathroom as well too, and same thing with Hero, no bathroom as well, right Hero? No bathroom. And you know we have Prefect who is doing his project now at the minute, so Prefect install his bathroom, so it's on the finishing touch.
Yeah.
You know, so
take the time I reach there, you know? Yeah man.
So
you have my brother them where need a more strength in the moment more than me. So I appreciate love each and every one where lend the assistant there to reach out to him. Thank you, and may the good Lord guide them, protect them, keep them safe. Enough love and respect.
Yes man, so yeah man, so we give thanks man and thank you so much. As we say, right, the situation is here, so we appreciate anything we can get to help out a situation. So the work here in Trenton is cut out, so we have to help them one at a time. So bathroom is the main thing because the house them is like this, there's got no bathroom, so they have to come out to, I don't know where they have to go. Run our back. You know,
this place is a place where at any time, you know,
anything can happen.
In Europe, just imagine you want to use the lab in all bulky in Europe.
You can't come out.
It's a sticky situation.
Very sticky. Yes, so I know, I grew up in it, you know, so it's very tricky, sticky, you know, situation is not pretty. You know, so we appreciate each and every one out that reach out, you know, we thank you so much. It is a blessing. So guys, so stay tuned, you know, keep posted on what's going on. Well, blessed love, guys. Why is the dog around the place? Yes guys, so welcome. Well, I'm back here in Trenchtown. I know the thing goes already. We're gonna go on the road, you know. I'm gonna take B to our new spot, you know, where she's gonna be going chilling out for the next couple of days, you know. So there's no water here in Trenchtown for the couple of days. None at all, nada. You know, so we thank you guys so much for supporting. You know, it was nothing but love. Welcome back to my.
I guess we'll say welcome back to.
Hey, well. Why I don't know.
Kira, they said you must apologize.
For what?
Guys, trust me, it's never that serious. From the previous video, they are taking everything personal.
You know it goes.
Tell them it's never that serious. Honestly,
it's never that. Come on, people, come on. You know, in life, yeah, you're gonna have people speculate on what they feel, you know. But they know we always joke around. So if they don't understand me and you, they got a problem, right?
They have work to do.
They got work to do, guys. Come on.
So please go subscribe to Kino's YouTube channel, Kino Life in Jamaica.
Yeah.
And it's never that serious.
It's never that serious. And look, this is what's serious. This is what it means.
Superhero, super dad.
Exactly, that's what I am. A super dad. You know, superhero, super dad.
That is it.
So I'm not even lying. Trenchtown is hot and there's no water.
That is it. I told them already there's no water, but they don't understand. Tell them.
There is no water in Trenchtown for like all long now, a week?
4 or 5 days.
4 or 5 days.
Even going to pee is a problem.
Yeah, imagine that. Whoa.
Yeah.
And the sun is so hot.
Yeah.
You know. So guys, remember, welcome to Kino Life in Jamaica. We're here in Trenchtown, home of Bob Marley, you know, home of reggae music. So you know we're gonna hit the road, you know, take D for a new location for chill out for a couple of days, you know, because you know in here she cannot swim, no water.
That is it.
There's no water, you know, so we're gonna head out. I don't know.
It's really summertime.
Yeah, so we're gonna head where the sun is shining. So I guess
come along with
the sun is shining that way.
Yeah.
So we're gonna head that way, you know, to find something. So yes guys, it's nice to be here again. You know the thing go already, you know.
And guys, it's never that serious. And stop being too negative and just saying things that, you know, really hard. Just be nice, you know, just be nice.
Well, as I said, it's with life. People will be negative and people will be positive, right? So we cannot run from it. You know, so we still accept them and we still love them the same way. Is it because if you only can show negativity, we still love you. And we can give you his love. And hopefully
Some
one
people
day,
just need a hug.
yeah, hopefully one day you can change from being negative to be positive. If you lack of love, come on, let me give you a hug. You know, let me give you a hug. Well, it's never that serious. Life ain't serious, man.
Yeah.
Life ain't serious.
So guys, enjoy the video. Prefect, greeted.
Prefect.
Alright.
You look the prefect. You guys, remember, Kina Life in Jamaica. You look the prefect. Prefect. There. Oh, that Nicholas. What? The man that take your money? Yeah. Might be there for you now. A one room. But you see Nick now laugh, something are going on in there. Yeah, so I'm gonna bring our Airbnb where she gonna stay now and thing. So I'm there pass through. Yeah, thing. Why the place hot and still not have no water. No.
Yeah, be here where the coolest them have to
But tell us if you bring a little bucket of water from over, so come over. You get water. Okay.
That's not done long time.
Oh.
Get water, man.
So we're gonna run and come back, you know?
Yeah.
Run and come back. Naturally on the road.
Yeah, man. Worship them supposed to go on the road.
Yeah. More likely. How it is? I'm gonna let her have someone. Alright. Oh, I'm gonna let her have that one there. Alright then guys, so you know everything goes so well. So as me say, we have D here in the building, you know. We have D. Asheda. My little cousin, these are my cousins, watch this. Hey. Guys, here my little cousin, she for that video, you know.
I'm for that video.
You're not for that video though?
I'm for that video.
Oh, see there, tell them she's not for that video. See the head mad out, mad out. Alright then, someone coming from shop?
Yeah.
Alright then, so later. So this is Mother Teresa granddaughters. Mother Teresa granddaughters, you know. So you know it goes already guys, you know the camera shy. But she, Daniela, not for that no camera, right? Yeah. That is it. Shakara, she for the camera. Right Daniela? Hey. Alright, come Daniela, come, camera off.
It's turn off.
It's turn off. Oh gone.
I'm not out here now. I'm gonna buy for tomorrow because we are practicing on the sun.
Oh, at one now here?
Yeah, they might ask if we can bring a hat for back out the sun.
Okay, so I'm going to bring a hat then tomorrow.
But tomorrow we need it for gas school.
Oh, I'm not going to have it now.
So when you come tomorrow, to get it?
No. Be on camera. You on camera. Hey, but I'll try and get, let me see what I go on then, yeah? If anything, alright, later. Jenna. Yeah, so far. We have the mango.
Time to go, guys.
Green mango.
Blessed love to all. Well. That's only meant for Kino. Anyway guys, hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to Kino Life in Jamaica. In case you're new here, my name is D Mango. Kino calls me Green Mango. That's not really nice. But anyways, so welcome to today's video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, hit that like, leave a comment, let me know what you think about today's video. And please check me out, D Mwango. Help me guys get 500,000. I'm really trying my best to get there, so help me by subscribing and subscribe to Kino Life in Jamaica. That is it guys. So as you all see, I look so hungry. I look so hungry. Wanna go get some food. Then there's not water has not been there for almost a week now, almost like 5 days. You can't even pee as you speak because there's nothing to flush. Esther has been so nice, like her tank has been having water, but now it's finished, so no water anymore. So now let's see what we can do about it. I was telling Esther if it was back home I could be at the river long time. I couldn't even waste no time. You just go bathe in the river.
Okay? Close by, right?
Yeah, because it's close by and it never dries no matter what.
Check it. And I still haven't got the hose
The what?
The hose for my sink.
Oh yeah, Kino is hunting for something. You wanna try to get it here?
We'll find out them have it.
Okay. Alright guys. Stick along.
Stick along, stick along, stick along.
Guess who upgraded, guys?
Big wipes. Alright guys, so we stop off here. We stop here at Sovereign. Stop here. Sovereign. Sovereign.
Yeah.
Foreign. Sovereign. Like foreign.
Yeah,
Sovereign.
guys, Jamaica has a lot of beautiful places to eat. Like I really love that. A lot of fancy places to step out. You can eat. You can do a lot of things.
So you have the Sovereign supermarket there.
Yeah.
Yeah, Flo. Oh, Flo. Oh, I left my phone. I go get my phone.
Let me go here.
Yeah.
Then we can go.
Alright, let me go get my phone. I at least can get some credit over there. Yeah, so flow. So you have Sagicor Bank, you have Island Gems, you have Mac, you have so many places in here where you can go. So imagine I leave my phone in the car. Boom. Alright. So D. Look at the mountains up there. Whoa. Cafe Blue.
Yeah, it's a very nice place to eat. Very nice. They have a lot of Jamaican food.
What is it the Cafe
Not
Blue
white,
or the
not
which one is
just
it?
English.
Daily Works.
Yeah, Daily Works. Yeah.
Okay, breakfast, lunch,
Cafe
and dinner.
Blue is the coffee place. It's really nice to go chill and do some editing. And guys, when you come to Jamaica, make sure you don't stay in the house most of the time. So places like this, you can come, edit if you're a YouTuber, or do some work. It's really nice, and there's Wi-Fi there, very fast Wi-Fi. Yeah, it's a very nice plaza. Then right there, maybe we'll go in and you show them. There's like a water fountain, like it's so good inside.
Yeah. Imagine when it's holiday time. When I was younger, we used to come here with our friends. Them go inside Sovereign, walk up and down, take photo, go up the elevator, come down, and everything. You know. It
just reminded me of my Yugna the first time he went inside the elevator and got lost.
You got lost?
He didn't know how to come out.
Oh.
Yeah, it's an experience.
Yeah.
Not even escalators. People don't even know how to use escalators. For those who stay in the countryside.
Yeah.
So.
There's a lot of people never been on an escalator before. A lot. I remember when the first time going on one.
You almost stopped. You missed the step.
No, I'm a quick learner. I watch when someone's coming off. And I watch them going out.
I'm really struggling with it. The last time she was trying to, when I took them to that fancy hotel for Valentine's, then there was a mall inside. Then we went. Also, my dad, they were literally jumping.
Hey.
I'll show you the video.
Oh, I remember that video. Yeah, I remember that video. They're not used to it. That's why.
Actually, it was the first time.
Yeah.
But my mom, I think she's just scared. I take her so many places and she doesn't like using it, you know?
I don't remember who I went to the Price Mart with. I went to Price Mart and there's a escalator there. And I went there with somebody. I'm like, what escalator? And the first time I got on one of this, I'm trying to remember. Is it
My mom is always scared. My dad was like jumping out of it. they made my day that day. I was like, what?
Remember your mom is watching, you know, she's watching. Hey,
she remembers the day.
Go and come. Hey guys, so I think I should go get some credit. Let me wait on D to come out there first, you know. But how much have you been to Savrin? You know, I've been to Savrin before. You know, I know most of you who's from Jamaica who lives in Kingston must have been to Savrin. You know, because Savrin was the place growing up, you know. Especially when it comes to the holidays. Hey, we used to come up here, you know, because inside is always decorated, especially in Christmas time. Inside always decorated, pepper lights, you know, the pretty take pictures and everything. Hey, but I need to go in there to show you guys, bring you back some childhood days, you know, memories, bring you back some childhood days. So I'm gonna take you guys inside for you to see what it's like, you know, because I haven't been inside since the last time I was here as a child. So I'm gonna go inside and see what it looks like, if it still remains the same, you know. But you know, Jamaica is upgrading more and more, you know, because out there we have Barbican Road, you know, so Savrin is up a pain, and the sun is coming out bright and nicely, bright and nice. Savrin supermarket. We'll go by in the Savrin to show them.
We go inside Savrin?
Yeah.
Of course we have to give
I want order the food first.
The food is just there, just go in.
Alright, let's speak.
It's not cooking, it's there.
Oh, so it's not, you don't have to wait long.
No waiting, you just say one this and that.
Just like that. It's like a Subway.
Yeah. So this is where I bought my workout outfit.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ah, bless it, bless it.
Blessed love.
Oh. Left turn only. Telling you to stop, but you're going straight. And the man said left turn only, and you're going straight. You should go left. Alright, you should go left. Sounds nice.
Yep.
But it's hot.
Where we are going, hey.
First I need to get credit. Savrin. I remember those days.
When we used to come and take pictures here.
Hey. Wow.
Welcome to Savrin.
Welcome to Savrin.
Here we have some nice
Oh, here's the lift, the elevator we used to go up and down.
This one,
same. Nothing.
Look at this, it's so beautiful.
Yeah, the waterfall there.
Jamaica, the land that we love.
Beautiful. Jamaica, the land that we all love. Look, see the lift there? Those were the days. We just go in the lift, up and down, and round and round, just for no reason, you know? Just for no reason. But you see, in Christmas time, this place, pure lights, pepper lights, it's just lit.
Oh, look at that, guys. Hey,
Just lit.
This is one of the reasons why I love Jamaica. Like, wow, there's a lot of people.
So much. Big dog said. Are you gonna look something to buy?
Let's see what's inside. That outfit looks so good.
Thank you.
Wow. Look at that. But again, you know, soon I'm traveling, sorry. Soon I'm traveling, so I don't know which is it. But it looks so nice.
Soon you're traveling, of course.
Guys, when it comes to fashion, if you always ask me, D, where do you get your outfits? I get them all from Jamaica. But soon, I'll be getting them from another location
All from Jamaica.
Yeah.
So this store is inside the Sovereign Mall.
Hey, you know, this can look so good on me because it's stretching and it's long. You know, I have new clothes that I haven't even worn.
Exactly.
I'm telling you, but being a woman, hey, I have something like this I bought in Trinidad. Black, same, exact same.
And you still not wear it yet?
I wore it once.
Boom, boom, boom.
So guys, if you wanna shop when you come to Sovereign, you know the thing go.
You know the thing go.
Yeah, free promotion for them.
No, it's not free. I'm gonna link the boss right now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna link the boss. It's not free.
Okay.
Oh, here is some shirt for the gentleman them, like myself.
Yeah.
There's no, I don't see no Kino style.
This is nice for the gym.
Workout.
Yeah. Maybe wanna get.
Guys, choose something for me. Choose Kino style. This is what Levi's.
What is going on in that house?
Levi's. What, for the tights?
Yeah, for the workout style.
You just match it with that top.
Match it?
Look something to match it with.
What can, guys, help me? What can match this one? Look at that.
No, you know, don't look here. Look somewhere else.
Oh, somewhere else.
Yeah. Look.
Up here?
I look somewhere
This
else.
one's, hey, but this store has really nice things.
Just look.
Let's see what can match it.
Well, you have to look at a small t-shirt somewhere.
Yeah, to match it up.
Yeah.
Black, precisely black and
Check over there on the rock.
where? The rock?
Yeah.
Yeah. For working out. Those are bikinis. Yes.
They're all big. They're all big. Come back this side.
Okay, but it's really pretty and fancy, guys. Look at that. This is Jamaica. I used to have something like this, but I lost it when I was in Cayman. Let me see. I think I like it. It looks really nice. What do you guys think? It looks so good, right?
Yeah.
I know what it is. I think I'll buy this. I lost my green ones. Yeah, they look pretty. Yeah, looks nice. I'll get this one. The specific green because I lost my green ones. Also, this black looks nice. I think the green one looks better. I don't know, but I think
All right. This look like Kino. Let me stay there.
but they really don't know the
They don't know the thing.
Yeah.
They don't have a clue. They don't know the thing.
Looks really nice.
So this one.
Yeah, that fits you.
In the video.
Oh, in the phone.
Oh.
They really look, the design looks nice at the
And
phone.
just because this in the way.
Which one?
It's because of this I can't really see.
Yeah.
What it really
I don't know,
look
I'm
like.
confused, but I think this is a mask. This one is a mask. Guys, let me tell you something funny. They don't know Kino is promoting them free of charge. Honestly. So guys, trying to get some
Hey, this look nice.
something.
This look nice.
Very, very, very,
This look nice, right?
very.
Yeah, cause from the seat, I like this look like keynote.
Yeah, you know when you see your style, you just know that is it. That is my style.
You don't know what them are pre about.
A keynote. I love the green ones. Really nice for working out. You see, those are long ones. I like this one.
Yeah. There's no top for them.
None of them can match. If I got black, it could match. Nice. Look at this.
Check over here. What color is that? It's that.
Wow. I used to have something.
It needs to be thinner. Look.
Yeah, still that can go on. Hey, Kino knows how to choose clothes.
This.
Yeah, because it's this and black can still go on.
It's not black, it's navy blue.
Navy blue.
Oh, here's a black.
Black at the bottom. I think this can go on.
Yeah.
Black and gray.
Yeah.
Yeah, but not matchy.
This one.
T-shirt.
This one. This one much better.
This one much better with this.
Yeah.
Remember, it's a gym outfit. It's not going anywhere.
This will be better.
What do you guys think? Oh, we see what they have matchy section workout.
Where?
At the workout section.
Okay.
But I love these tops too. They look so nice. Look at that, guys. Jamaica has it all. You wanna shop until you drop it. Let's see the workout section.
Shop till you drop.
Oh, here the workouts. See the thing go, I'm looking for the tops now. But they're really nice. The top, the brown. I haven't worn yet.
Hey, but usually in here normal cool. It's feeling a bit warm inside here. Normally in here is a bit cooler. But for some reason it's warm. Look. Yeah. Look, even the ladies finding they're not paying their bill. Crocs. This is the Crocs store.
You can literally get everything here.
Come, time. That is it. Put a service on my phone.
So this is one of those places we can actually come
And yeah.
take a walk, you can shop, you can eat.
Come, put some credit on my phone.
Is that your video?
Here? Huh? Welcome. One as well.
Me too.
Yeah.
Usually when I reach there, I'm going
I tell myself I need to get one when I get there. Alright, so everything is done. So this food time.
Yeah, food time then. So I ate here yesterday. So today again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Serving. The sun is nice. Do my work now.
It's around today, alright? Yeah.
Alright, sorry.
Welcome to my favorite place.
Favorite place. Oh, it's buffet style.
The beans is gone.
Late.
I'm late.
Shop.
Past lunch because people love it. I realize. I saw somebody having it on the plate and I was like, oh wow, there's this one also.
You got vegetable over here.
Huh? Yeah, the rice and beans.
You got fish.
Beef and pumpkin bread.
Look at that. Fish, red snapper.
Give me a beef one, a small
The beans was there. It's really What is that?
Soup.
It has meat inside?
Yeah, what type of soup is that?
vegetable soup or we have beef soup.
Vegetable soup and beef soup. So them have two soup, vegetable
Vegetable.
and beef. Yeah, but you never know that this was gonna happen though. Don't it?
A lot of money. When I remember, I just feel like my heart is racing.
Go this way.
Like I wish I knew I could just have. Now this is what I'll be doing. If I'm not sure I'm traveling that day.
Alright guys, so we're done. This is done for today.
Yeah, I'm done for today.
I know whenever you go to a shopping area, they like to see you.
Why?
They know the thing, girl.
Most of the clothes store.
Yeah.
You remember like the other one?
Hey, sooner or later, all close stores gonna know D. Whenever them hear D is in Jamaica, them will like,
Yeah.
D, come to my store.
Finally.
Come to my store. Come to my store.
Because
You
I
know?
have shopping
Shop
till you drop.
till they drop. Is it open?
No.
I lost my key.
You lost your key?
Yeah.
You're gonna break in through the glasses. Let me start mashing up the car.
Hey. Can't find the key.
Hey, key now, the Lamborghini. This Lamborghini is so helpful.
One day you will be going over there.
One day,
One day, you will be-
one day.
you will be
You see
going-
that flag?
One day.
I manifest. I can't wait for that day, guys. It will be a celebration. You know how long I've wanted to go to America to create the videos for you guys? One day. Let's keep praying and hoping for the best. Okay?
One day.
Wish me all the best, kiddo.
Of course, one day, definitely. Definitely should get it one day, guys. You
Yeah.
know. Once you keep manifesting it, it will definitely
happens.
come.
Yeah.
No joke about it. One day. See there at the back of it. US Embassy. Let you deem one go. Yeah, let her through, guys. Let her through.
You know, said you need to do the thing.
Yeah. One day or another.
Yeah.
Don't worry, man. One day, man. Everybody need a piece of that apple.
Yeah.
Get a piece. That apple to buy.
Alright, guys. So we got the food. I'll show you maybe when we get to my place. So we headed somewhere so beautiful. Okay. So see you when we get there.
Yeah, come on, listen to. Oh, there you got mango tree. You got a mango tree. You got green mango. Do you have green mango? Green mango. So we have to go and check and come back. So guys, so Dee finally at a new home, which she's gonna be calling home for the next, who knows?
Maybe forever.
Who knows? Who knows? Just touched down at the airport. They got some mangoes here, baby ones. You know, I know you still eat them same way.
Same way.
Same way.
Okay. Guys, I can't wait for you to see the rooftop. It's beautiful. Yeah.
Ready?
How do you go? Let's go this way.
No, I have to just come through here and done.
Who can guess where this is? Who can guess? Look at the mango trees.
You want them to guess?
Look at the car.
Oh, this building is nice. Hey. Right.
It's really well maintained. In Jamaica, everything is amazing. Check in. That place looks really nice. Maybe you could have shown them. Maybe
Which
we
one?
could come down at the lobby.
The lobby?
Yeah, it's so beautiful.
Yeah.
Very.
Nice.
Oh, wait there.
Yeah, we're thinking.
Passing through there. I thought this is the elephant.
You have to walk up.
Yeah.
And then.
So pretty.
There you go.
So beautiful. How do you go? This way?
Pool? Hello.
Just coming.
Yeah. Have we come over there? We have to come over there. Ooh. Well, it smells fresh and warm.
Fresh and warm?
Yeah. Need to turn the AC on.
Yeah.
Siri? Is it Siri? Not Siri.
Siri is available?
No Siri. What's the next name? I forgot the next name.
I love the mirror.
Wow, nice. Nice.
Nice mirror.
Yeah, it's very nice.
bed.
Nice bed. Nice
Jamaica, they love this thing so much.
they call them dresser drawer.
Yeah.
Chester drawer.
Yeah. Then
I never get the name. Yes.
Yeah, the bed looks so comfortable.
Very
And
nice.
yeah, this looks nice.
You got the TV. Yeah, I like the night light.
Let's turn on the
AC.
yeah. Of course, you know the thing.
I'm telling you, because in here it's warm. So AC on. Alexa.
AC on.
Alexa. There's no Alexa. There's no Siri. But there's the remote. Press. That is it. No Alexa. No Siri.
Guess the first search on the TV, Masika Pain, because Kiddo loves Masika music.
Yeah.
Dexter Dubs.
Oh boy. Alright, so guys, so look at this place. Lovely.
Yeah, it looks really nice.
Yeah, it's really nice. Oh, I like your bathroom, B.
Yeah, the towels also look nice, but I don't like the towels.
Don't like towels because I don't like brown.
Yeah.
You like white.
Yeah.
White.
This is so clean.
Yeah, I like your shower as well too.
Yeah.
It's quite nice, you know.
Yeah, quite nice.
It's really affordable as well too.
Yeah. $150 a night.
Oh wow, that's not bad.
But it's really beautiful. I love it.
Kitchen.
Look at somewhere to chill.
You don't even got much view. Kitchen, you got your stove there to make your porridge.
Yeah.
You got a big microwave.
Well, actually, somebody else can sleep here. It's like a bed.
Oh, sofa bed.
Hey, look at the TV. It's so
Oh.
big. Wow.
Yeah, this is nice.
It's nice.
Really nice. TV is big, right?
Yeah, very.
And your fridge, Samsung, empty. Lady,
Not even one.
nothing.
But water is right here.
Why? Not
But
even
it's
look
a
a
nice
welcome package.
Yeah, like how we normally get it.
Yeah,
You know?
well, it's different.
Like in St. Vincent, I got it big, like bananas, apples, papaya. I was like, what?
Cause they know you were coming, or you just that?
No, it was just random.
It's random. Come
So
on.
you have the dishes here.
That's cups,
Yeah.
glasses. Where's the dishes?
I think somewhere.
Over there.
Yeah.
Yes, dishes there. Empty. Empty.
Can't open that.
Close.
So somewhere.
Pots. There.
For the garbage.
Garbage there. Close. Open. Nothing.
We must get a pot somewhere.
Of course. Go get the pot. We go find the pot of them yard.
They're so small though.
Because show us you alone. Can boil a porridge in that.
Yeah.
Can boil a porridge. Over here is what now? These drawers, cutting board, cut up your seasoning, spoon, fork, knife.
Very simple.
Simple, it's basic.
Yeah. But I love the lighting. The house is well lit. If you stand there, you get the best lighting.
Yeah. It's simple. It's simple. Not much view. Not much above. It's cannot open.
I want to
Okay.
see the washing machine because
Oh.
the window.
Uh-huh. Washing machine.
Yeah.
Try this door. The last place to look.
Oh yeah. Yes.
Yes.
Guys, I need to do personal cleaning. I really need to do a lot of cleaning today.
Yeah.
All the 2 suitcases are for cleaning.
Yeah.
But then I can wash my shoes here. Yeah.
Yeah, so at least that is there.
That is it.
It's not bad, you know.
But we're not yet done. We're gonna be taking you guys to the
Pool area.
to the pool. It has like a really nice pool. You're gonna love it. The lighting is so good. Look at that, guys. Wow, it's nice. Then right here you can chill here. Yeah, you see, smokers have banned this.
Telling lie the smokers.
Yeah. Yeah, but look what really did it like that.
Looks like candle.
Candle. Okay, all right.
Look like candle.
Look at the view. Let's go up to show them.
Pool.
Yeah, wow, what a nice, wow. I like how the lighting comes in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
AC on.
Yeah, turn it on, please. The decor on the
There's
wall.
no Siri, there's no Alexa.
Wow, so clean. I love it. Wow. And also the lights. Wow, nice.
Nice.
That is it.
Alright.
That is it. Hey.
Pool floor.
Wow.
Wow.
Alright, guys, you know this is my favorite place at the moment.
Gym. Wow. Right, look at this. So we at the 10th floor. Wow, look at the. This is a drop. This is a drop. Look at this view. Wow. Look at this view. The view. Wow. There's half a tree there. As you can see, half a tree is right there. Pegasus is right there as well too. You're looking downtown from here. National Stadium over there. Wow. It's so nice. The views is so nice. So imagine up here in the night. Over this side. Oh. Wonderful view, wonderful view. Oh, so I told you the pool is a bit shallow. I know it's a shallow pool. The view. Helicopter. I don't play.
You
Yes, nice. I like the views. I like the view. Big. As you can see, all the hills then that surround it.
So beautiful, man. Look at Jamaica. You know, before I came to Jamaica, I used to think it's bro.
I'm telling you. That's where we're driving from. That's where the Pop Eyes. That's where Pop Eyes is.
Yeah.
Nice. I told you the pool. I told you the pool is shallow.
It's shallow?
It's not that deep, but it's nice still. It's alright. In Jamaica.
I'll leave his link in the description.
Yes.
Yeah,
And we're on the road to
100k silver button.
100 million. We're on the road to 100 million, but first we have to creep before we walk. So yes, silver button. But boy, Jamaica is just beautiful, man.
Very, you can see.
Beautiful, boy.
Look at that. Look at that. And then we have the harbor view. That is downtown, right?
Yeah. Let me show you downtown exactly.
Somewhere there. That is ROK.
Yeah,
yeah.
I think yes, that's ROK right there,
right there
between there, right there. Okay, on the next side, that's the building where they got the Airbnbs there.
Yeah.
And
the one that looks like cars.
See the building, the digital building where you work out?
Yeah, where I work out, yeah.
That's it, right there.
Yeah.
Nice.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.